Hi, I'm Rob Clapper, the Midwestern Regional Sales Manager for Bradley Corporation, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to install the roll paper towel into our mechanical knob type mechanism. It's found in a variety of our products. It includes just like you see here, or ones that are incorporated with a waste receptacle as well. First off, you have the ability to move this bracket over to accommodate different widths of paper, so I think that's kind of clever. These are spring-loaded, so it holds the core in the middle, and there's a full set of instructions in the back on how to do that. Basically, I'm not going to go into the lower part. This talks in terms of how you can actually use a stub roll. Like if you've got about this much paper left on the roll, you can put it in the lower chamber and it'll feed from that first and then automatically start feeding from the upper. But today I'm just going to show you how to do this and a little bit of maintenance and cleaning of the unit because that's critical. So let's start by loading the unit. The most important thing is to make sure that the paper is from below this direction, coming out from the bottom of the roll. Just putting it in here, bending the wire a little bit on both sides, popping it in there, and make sure it rolls freely. We go either direction on that. And then the other thing is making sure that you pull this roller forward. It's very simple. Just put the paper underneath the white roller, pull it through, let go, and then crank it a couple times, and you'll see how it actually pulls it into the other chamber where there's a rubber roller that pulls it through. And that's all there is to it. You tear it a couple times, making sure that it tears freely, and you're good to go. Now, all you have to do then is close the cabinet up, and you're done. And then a couple more pulls to make sure. Now, you also have the ability to restrict the rotation of this knob by the use of some pins on this side. You have an A side and a B side with a pin. So it basically just restricts, instead of the full stroke like that, you can restrict the paper flow by A or B. So you have that ability. The service spring that we offer is merely for in case somebody really cranks on this and it breaks or dislodges this spring, you can install this spring, and it basically all it's doing is letting that knob go back up. Okay? The other thing that's important on this, in order to take the paper out, I want to use my scissors so we get it clear out of there completely. Okay. We'll take the paper back out. Is to make sure you clean the unit, because there might be debris and whatnot inside, and that's the most important thing, is to get these rollers clear of all the different shards of paper. Some of them are minute, some of them are larger. The best way to do it is with an air, and just get, because you'll get a lot of shredding of the units and small pieces of paper that clog it up. So that's the important thing, is to get that out of there. Each time the paper's changed, you should blow out all the different debris. Also, to the degree of recycled paper, the more coarse the paper, the more you might be getting a little debris in there. So that's basically the rundown of this unit.
Thank you, Rob.
You're welcome, Mike.